In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to make starch from cassava, called yuca in Spanish. Starch is popularly eaten among the Isoko and Urobo people and other states in Nigeria. Starch is widely eaten with banga soup in Delta, in Isoko land. Also eaten with owo soup. It's a very popular delicacy that almost all the south states in Nigeria consume starch. So you're going to learn a lot from this video. If you are new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching my video. Enjoy the video.
The first thing you have to do is to grind the cassava with a cassava grinding engine. As you can see in the video, we are grinding cassavas that we are going to be using to make our starch. This is the grinding engine. You can see the cassavas we are grinding coming out from the engine. This is how it looks after grinding it.
The next thing you do is to add water into your grinded cassava. Then you use your rice bag to squeeze out all the old particles from the grinded cassava. What we need is just the liquid that comes out from it. You only need the liquid that comes out from the cassava because it's the liquid that will settle down and turn to your starch. So you squeeze out all the whole particles from it carefully. You can see us squeezing out all the whole particles, leaving only the cassava liquid, the water that comes out from the cassava. Cassava generally has lots of starch in it. So after squeezing out all the whole liquid, this is the chaff that will come out. So this chaff can be used to do cassava flour and fufu. So in my next video, I will teach you more about it. So this is the liquid. This is the liquid that is remaining, the cassava water. So this liquid will settle down and turn to the starch. The starch will go under the bucket. The starch will settle down under the bucket. So once after 10 to 15 minutes, you will begin to see the starch under the bucket. This is the next day and we went to go and check it, and all the starch have settled down under the bucket. So you can now use this to make your delicious starch, and you can use starch to eat owo soup. You can also use to eat banga soup. It's very sweet delicacy that you can try. So do well to subscribe. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we're going to teach you how you can use cassava to do cassava flour, fufu, gari, and so many other things. So subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more updates. This is the starch. Can you see how it looks? Very white and very fine. It came out very good. So if you need starch, we can send starch to you. We can supply starch to you any location you are. You can call us on our number 080-633-45443. Our starch are very good, sweet. You can use it to eat any type of food. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We sell starch in buckets. This bucket like this, we sell starch. So comment if you need starch and we'll send to you.